Hey guys, so we've got no new parts for the raw stock. Yeah. What are we gonna do? Well, we could always take a look at what the M3D can do with ABS. Sounds good to me, let's go. Okay guys, so I've spent like 3 days printing off minions. Yeah, minions. To try and see the quality that I can get with ABS. Pretty rough. This one was done at 265 degrees, setting of hollow thick walls for infill, low quality for layers, and wave bonding was selected. This one's about the same. Not the greatest. See if I can bring them up closer here. There we go. Stuck together okay in most parts. Not really everywhere. It was alright. That one was done at 275 degrees. Hollow thick walls again. High quality for layers. I don't have the exact measurements for the different qualities for layers. And that one was also wave bonding. I can't get anything to stick to the print bed without wave bonding, so everything's wave bonded. This one's done a little smaller. And it didn't turn out the greatest. Got a little bit worse. Blobs everywhere. I've tried a whole bunch of different temperatures on different prints. I just decided to do the same thing over and over again with different settings and see how they turned out. So this one again, 275, high infill, high quality, and wave bonded. Another tiny one. This one kind of really turned out horrible. Also, I haven't done any cleanup on any of these. So the two bigger ones could probably clean up pretty nice. The rest of these are kind of beyond fixing. Again, 275, low infill, high quality, wave bonding. Now, wave bonding is just when it's going around the print bed on the first layer, it'll go around really slowly and kind of move and stop so that it creates really stuck down spots all around the bottom of the print. I can't get anything to stick down without doing that. Here's another little guy. This one turned out absolutely horrible. There's a hole in the bottom of him. His arm's all stuck to himself. Yeah. A lot of the layers are separating. It's still pretty strong though. I can't really break him. Crack him a little bit and break his arm off. Oh. There we go. This one was hollow thick walls, but this, there seems to be something in the model. I've sliced it open in NetFab, and this piece printing on the inside is actually part of the model for some reason. I have no idea why. I downloaded this model on Thingiverse. If I can find it again, I'll throw a link in the description. Or maybe in a little annotation right here or something. Anyway, that one was hollow thick walls, 275 again, high quality, wave bonding. Kind of a bit of a pattern here. Now this is the one that I kind of wanted to point out. Again, it turned out really crappy. This one should be a lot stronger. The problem is it's not. I don't see a difference between this and hollow thick walls. There really should be a difference. Because I selected full. Medium quality for layers, wave bonding, but I selected full. I can never get this printer to print full. I mean, it's obviously not the hardware, it's the M3D software won't allow full to actually be full. Weird. There's inside one of the big ones. There's the other big one. I already actually ripped this one apart. That's how I found that chunk inside. This was the first one I printed, and actually I didn't have to rip it apart. It printed separated. You can see that layer was separated too. This is the one with high infill. At least there was infill in that one. Oh, sorry, that was low infill. This is high infill. Anyway, moving on to the PLA. This is Hot Pink 3D Solutech 1.75mm filament from Amazon. And we'll go through the same thing. There's only 5 of these ones. So this one looks pretty nice. The arm's a little blotchy. Other than that, it's pretty, I guess there's a blotch there. Other than that, it's pretty nice. This is in PLA at 205 with hollow thick walls, medium quality, wave bonded. So we went a little smaller with this one, and it still turned out pretty nice. Again, the arm was a little blotchy, and there's a bit of a blotch on the bottom. But overall, pretty nice. This was again at 205, again hollow with thick walls, high quality this time, and again wave bonded. Now this one didn't turn out so great. You can really see the layers. A little bit of blotching on the bottom and the arm. Still decent though. Better than any of the ABS ones. I think that's the worst one. No, there's one worse than that. That's better than any of the ABS ones. And that was hollow thick walls. 205 again. And low quality with wave bonding. Next we got this one. This one turned out pretty good again. Not as good as the larger one, but not as bad as the last one. A little bit of blotching on the feet. Nothing much more to say about it. That was 205 with low infill, low quality, and wave bonded. And then the last one I printed here. This one turned out pretty rough. Not sure why. Still better than any of the ABS ones though. I think this is the worst PLA print I've actually ever had. This one was printed at 205 with high infill and high quality. And wave bonded. I'm not sure why that one turned out so bad. Printed with high infill and high quality before, and it's turned out just fine. Huh. Who knows? Okay, so that's been a quick look at printing ABS on the M3D. I am never printing another Minion again.
I want a pink one. No, a bigger one.
Okay, this time I'm really not printing any more minions. Here's the big one. I printed this one with support material at, whoa, 205, hollow thick walls, medium quality, wave bonding. Now, I did not select model on model support, yet as you can see the software has put support in on my model. That's unfortunate. The support material is not always easy to get off. I might actually lose a pair of feet. Now I gotta print another minion. Okay, so other than the broken feet, this minion actually turned out really well. A little bit of blotching on the bottom, but no big deal. Missing a couple feet, but no big deal. Like, this turned out great. It's even got fingers. Until I printed this one out, I didn't know this model had fingers. Again, it put that support right on the face, even though I told it no model on model support. So there's a bit of scuffing there where the support material was attached to it. It turned out great though. Alright guys, so this has been a quick look at printing ABS on the M3D. As you can see, it's not great at this point. It prints PLA pretty good right out of the box, but ABS, I guess some units are printing it really well, others aren't even printing it like mine was. So ABS I'd say is a toss-up on the M3D. I've got a few other tricks I'm thinking of trying, and I may do another video on that. At this point, this is only the third time I've ever tried printing ABS. The first time on the M3D didn't go well at all, and then I've only printed in ABS once before that, and that was on the Arduino Bluetooth controlled robot. You can check that video out here. Anyway, till next time, like, subscribe, dislike if you really want, leave a comment, all that YouTube stuff guys. Have a good one.